All right, welcome back. So we are going to, let me change the name of this real quick. We are going to create an array list in Java, and then we're going to also use a while loop to populate that with some words and use inputs to do that. So I've just got a couple imports here. I got scanner and then import utility ArrayList as well. So let's go ahead and get started with this. So the first thing is we want to set up our scanner. Okay, so that's the first part. Now we're going to create our array list, and I'm going to back this up here. And we will strings, and then let's call it words, because we're just going to have a collection of words for this. Okay, so our array list is built. So now we're going to ask a question for our user that's using our program, and we're just going to ask them to enter words. Now we could put this inside of the loop, but to start out with, we need to actually ask this beforehand. Please enter some words. And then one thing that we want to do is we're going to need a way to have to stop the loop. If we don't, our loop could run endlessly, and that's not something that we want to do. So, so let's say that we're going to say enter stop to quit. Okay, so that'll be our prompt, and then we're going to go ahead. Oh, we got to ask for our input here first. Now, if our user of our program here decides that they don't want to add any words, they can just go ahead and enter stop, and our loop is done. You know, like our loop just wouldn't occur at all. Okay? So let's go ahead and we'll build our while loop now. And what we're going to say is while our input, because here's our input, our variable called input. And we're asking this right here from our scanner. We're going to say while input is not equal to stop, then we're going to enter the loop. Okay? Really important that you have a way to enter and exit the loop. Okay? If you do not, it could be a very big problem. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to do words add. And we're going to use input as our add here. So whatever has been added is going to be added to our words right here. See, here's our name of our array list. So we're just going to say, hey, this array list that we called words, we're going to add to it now, and we're going to use whatever is put into the input variable here is going to be added to that. And then we need to ask again. This is the really important part here, is that we have our scanner set up so that we ask for that. Because if we do not, and we enter the loop, you're going to get an infinite loop here and just running over and over. Okay, so the way this works is we say while our input equals stop, while it does not equal stop, we're going to run through the loop, and it's going to continually do that over and over and over. All right, and then outside of that loop, let's go ahead and back up our bracket here. Outside of that loop, let's just go ahead and print out our words array list. And we will say words. Oops. And if we wanted to, we could make a separate line here. In fact, let's do that. And get rid of words here. So this is just going to print a blank line, and then after that is we'll print our words list. Okay, so it's just going to print out our array list that we have. It's going to print that out for us. All right, let's give this a try. See if we made any mistakes. Import java.utility ArrayList. what did I error on here? Let's take a look. Let's see. Oh, I know. I see. I can't use this as a reserve thing. So actually, let's just name our class just practice as we've done in the past instead of ArrayList, because then it gets confused with us. You can't declare that twice. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this again. All right, so enter some words. We'll just do different fruit. So we'll say apple, orange, banana, and kiwi. Okay, and then if we want to just stop our list, there's our list of apple, orange, banana, and kiwi. So really important when you're working through array lists like this is you make sure that you know, if you need to, in this case I do need to import the array list, and then you got to create your array list here. So and we give it a name. I just chose words. Felt like it, you know, I could call it fruit if we wanted to, because our array list is going to have fruit. That would probably be the wiser thing to do. But it just, you have to come up with a word or come up with a name for this. Very similar to, like, you know, scanner that we do here, because we name it scan. All right, and then we have our question, and then we have our input here, because we need to have a way to enter our loop. So we need to have input initialized here with a value, which is going to be whatever is entered. And if they happen to enter stop, then they'll just print this out, but there won't be anything in our array list. And then go ahead and enter the loop, so long as it's not stop, and we'll keep adding using these two right here to our array list. We'll keep adding, you know, this word gets added to the array list here, and then we ask for another, and it continually goes to the loop, adding more things to our array, to our list. All right, hopefully that helps you with your coding, and good luck.